guys, today I'm going to be reviewing this extreme mini bike, gas powered one.
Well,
it's a 4-stroke. So the first thing you want to do is make sure your kickstand is down. Oil the clutch. You know, it says that in the instruction manual.
Guys, what about my mini bike?
Oh yeah, look at his mini bike too.
Yeah, it goes like 16 miles per hour, but today I actually beaten him on his electric mini bike and to like it.
Alright, so the first thing you want to do, come over here. You want to turn on your fuel switch to this position. Make sure that'll enable
Okay, now it's my turn.
your fuel to go through. Next, move your choke to the start position. Okay. Then
Now
up here,
it's gonna be my turn.
press on your small button, enabling your kill switch. Then wait a few minutes. I'm gonna put my helmet on.
Now can I say, so you had to like move the tires like this, and then you had to like put the weight on like this, and then you had to like make sure the pedals are ready, and then you just start putting the pedals, and that's how I start up my mini bike.
Alright, so the next thing you want to do is you're warmed up.
I need to say one more thing.
This position right here, you can sit on, but I suggest you do this.